Very short clip I want to make you. This is the Colton Test Center, and I had somebody who failed the other day, and I'm telling you, they failed here last time as well, and I took them here a few times, and they say they know, they've been, but when they make you go left from here, you coming back and going towards the test center, and then they say go left here, there is that giveaway, and people don't see it, and he did not see that the other day as well, and they failed with a dangerous mistake, because there was a car coming from this roundabout, from this side, and when you come here at these traffic lights, Sainsbury's is in front of you, and you come here and it's very faded. If you see here that triangle now, and you have to turn left, but lines is very faded, and he did not look on right hand side, and he's failed on that the last time as well with somebody else. And even yesterday when I asked him, he goes, Mr. Bud, you are right. Most of the time we learners say to you, we understood. But in reality, we don't understand. And now I come to understand. It's unlucky for him, to be honest. Only one mistake and he failed.